right, have you been looking for a townhouse style condo, 1-car garage, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths? Here it is, 296 Hamilton Avenue in Norwich, Connecticut. This is in a FHA approved complex. We're going to get you through here in just a couple minutes. This is unit number 30, and this complex was actually built in 2005. I'm going to show you the lower level first, and we'll go through the upper 2 levels. This is the ground level garage space. This home is heated by natural gas, and it has city water, city sewer. You've got electric hot water heater right here, manifold for all of the plumbing, and direct vent, high efficiency equipment in terms of the HVAC system with central air. This is a complex, like I said, that is FHA approved. You do have automatic garage door opener right there, but a nice little spot down here. We're calling it a rec room on the floor plan. Spiral staircase goes back up to the main floor, but this also could be a great home office. And we'll just shoot up the spiral case right here. This is 2 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The main living area on this first floor has hardwood throughout. I'm going to tie the knot on the entrance that we came in. That's right down there. So straight shot up the stairs. And this is your living space. Beautiful volumetrics here in terms of 9-foot high ceiling. Granite countertops. This home is 1,304 square feet. Taxes are $54.63. HOA fees are $295. You get view of the parking right out here. You've got your spot right in front of the garage as extra parking. We have a half bath right here. Do the second floor in a second. Plenty big in terms of dining space right here. A bonus with this property and listing is that you are able to get it with the furnishings. That's your reach-in pantry. Actually walk in. There's a coat closet right there. All of these furnishings will be here. This is an estate sale. So what you see in the place is being conveyed with the home. The spiral staircase that I came up is right here. Love this deck. One of the bonuses on being on this side, the even side of this complex, is this view. This is a seasonal river view. Gotta love that. This will all fill in and be green in the summer. But the 9-foot ceilings really add to the sense of space that we've got here. Like I said, the HOA fees are $295. You just had a small, I think it was a $10 price increase in that HOA fee. So, stairs coming up right here. How's this? Second floor laundry. Awful convenient. Don't have to bring this clothes down to the lower level or the basement. These are 2 reach-in closets right here. Your river view right there. Primary bedroom right here with a full bath ensuite. Tub shower. Rain shower head. Linen closet. Commode is right around the corner there. Granite tops, double vanity sink. Again, hardwood flooring. Could use some refinishing. Bath number 2. That's got a quartz top right there. And bedroom number 2. Definitely needs some repainting. You can pick that up here in the video and on the stills. But refinish the floors, make it your own. boxes right there happen to be 2 brand new ceiling fans. So that is it. Schedule your showings today.